So I'm about to embarrass these boys because I'm sick of them. I really am sick of them. I don't go up to, my room is downstairs. Their rooms are upstairs. My boys' rooms are upstairs. So I don't really go upstairs that often. But when I do, it's a whole cesspool. So the plumber just came over to fix my son's toilet. And I was embarrassed as hell. Putting them on blast. This is my oldest son's room. And this is actually clean because I actually cleaned it a little bit when the plumber was here because I was so freaking embarrassed. But came in here and I had told these boys, look at this. This is his closet. All of this stuff that's in the trash, it was all over the room. That's why his trash is full. And then here's their workout room. And again, I rarely come up here, but look, there's things missing and they're downstairs in the laundry room. And then here's my other boys' rooms, Kyron and Camille. Now, it's embarrassing because, oh, my housekeeper's here. Look at this. So, this is how they keep their stuff. And, good morning, Letty. So look at the text I just sent them. So at this point, their games are gone until they could figure out how to keep their stuff clean. So you know good and dang on well, this afternoon, they will be, when I get home, they will be in the process of cleaning up their stuff. I'm sure of it. The clothes will be washed and put away. They'll be in the process of it because them games is their life. So I think that maybe if I embarrass them enough, they'll probably make sure that they keep their room clean. So you know what? Share this. Make this go viral or something. Because I'm sick and tired of telling these boys. And maybe some little girl will see their little funky asses and not like them or something because they nasty and they don't keep their damn rooms clean and they don't do what their mama told them to do. How long did it take you to wash all the clothes?
All of them?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Camilla washed most of them yesterday. Like 6 hours in total.
It took you 6 hours to finish all those clothes?
In total, yes.
So you started yesterday? How does it feel to have your game back? So I just asked Camille, how does it feel to have the game back?
Why do you have to record this?
Don't worry about it. How does it feel to have the game back? Do you want me to take it away again?
Feels nice.
It feels nice?
Yeah.